Hi, in this lecture we talk about what's new in version 6 in 2025. Let's check. Okay, last update is in 2024 so far. If we get new update in this section, I will update this video. The strategy exit function has updated calculations behavior. Okay. Previews calls to the comment with arguments for the absolute relative parameters. For example, a call with a specified limit and profit values always ignore the profit value. Okay. If you have a strategy exit and in a strategy that exit you write profit and limit together in version 5 and less than that, always he ignored the profit. Okay, but in new version, in version 6, the command evaluates both related parameters and use the level that the market price is expected to activate first. Okay, so which one is nearest, it will consider that. Okay, it's good. And also another update, have in a strategy we had limit 3000 trade. We in a strategy can have a maximum 3000 trade. Okay, and if we had, for example, 3001, so it give us error. Okay, in version 5 and less. Okay, in version 5 and less, but in version 6 it will delete all the trades and continue, so you can have more than 3000 trade. Okay, so it doesn't give you any error. If I show you, maybe strategy test start no longer stop calculating and raise an error when they reach the 9000. Okay, I think for free account is 3000, for premium account is 9000. I'm not sure. Okay, orders are not visible in strategy, but that does not change the strategy simulation. To retrieve trade index of the earliest non-terminal order, use the strategy cross trade first index. So we have first, and to find first index, to find first order. Okay, so yeah, this is an important update, really important update. Okay, another, you can use request.security in if and else. Okay, you can use request security in if and else or for. Okay, and an important that need I give you an example, scripts cannot call request functions with serious string. Okay, with serious string. Let's I change it to 5 and show you. For example, my serious string default is this. Example, if kilos is higher than 1. Let's I go to 4 hours, for example. 1.41 reassign my series string to, for example, this is USD Canadian dollar, for example, to USD. How much is USD Europe? Yeah, USD Europe. So I want to show this in plot if it's this, and my color war color, okay, color should be, for example, red. My color red, color dot red. Else, okay, if it's less than this value, else change it to white, and USD, for example, how much is this? No, USD, maybe this franc. Yeah, USD Swiss franc, USD CHF. Okay, so in our current chart that is USD current, if price is higher than this amount, show this. Okay, so plot request.security, our syminfo, our symbol is this, time frame is our current time frame that period, and expiration, for example, kilos. Okay, so, and color is my color. So we want to say if price is higher than this amount, plot USD euro with red color, otherwise USD franc with white color. Okay, plot that. In version 5 it gives us error. I added to Charlie. Cannot call request security with argument symbol. An argument series string type was used, but a simple string is accepted. Okay, but if I change it to version 6, as you see, you can, if it's one less than, you can white plot, otherwise you can, if it's higher than this amount, you can see red. Okay, so this is a new thing. Values of the bool type are no strictly true or false. They are never now in version 6. Okay, so in version 5, yes, I delete this. I add a plot. Hellos. In version 5, for example, var bool my count now. In version 5, no problem, but in version 6 cause problem. Okay, so it should be true or false. Additionally, the or and operator now features short with lazy evaluation. If the first expression of an or operation is true, or the first expression of an and operation is false, the script does not evaluate the second expression because it is not necessary. to determine the result. Okay, do you understand? If first expression is true in an AND, it's second. For example, here we say cond1 and cond2. Okay, if cond1 and cond2, if cond2 is correct, it doesn't care to cond1. Okay, or when if we add or, if cond1 is okay, it doesn't read this. Okay, because it's okay and do something here. Okay, in version 6, but in the version 5 it check this and second check this. Okay, so it's no faster compile. And also I said about this, I talked about this, you can change and text size and also text formatting. Okay, italic, something like this. And this is a strategy about array. You can use negative thing. For example, let's array that from. Yes, check this. The function return the index of the array that from. Yes, I copy for array that from. There is, for example, 2 thing. Yeah, I show you this. Hello, for example, one last for and last test last. Okay, if use I want to show in label that I want to show in label so if bar state does it recording? Yeah, if bar state is last, label that new bar index high str dot to string array dot get 1. Okay, 1, it should give us word. Array dot get 1 and first should be id is I. Okay, so 1 is word. Okay, this is 2. So this is -1, -1. Okay, for instance, we can start from here with negative. So if I add this, it gives us last. So last one is -1, then is -2. Okay, so it's start from 0 here, 0, 1, 2, 3, or -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, for example, -2 is 1 last. Okay, or 1 last can be 1, 0, 1, 2. Also can be 2. Last can be 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so last can be 3, or can be -1. Okay, in version 6. In version 5 we cannot use negative. It gives us get error on, but in array function in this negative one is out of one. Okay, but in version 6 we have not an error. The new syminfo.mincontract variable holds the value representing the smallest number of contracts. Okay, this is clear. This is important. 2 new variables, syminfo.main ticker ID and syminfo.main period. Reference the ticker ID and time frame from the script main context. Okay, I show you two things. I show you label.new in up. I show you syminfo.mintic that ticker ID and another label that main ticker ID. Okay, and I show it a style label dot style label maybe up. So here, yeah, okay, as you see is both same syminfo.ticker ID and syminfo.main ticker ID. Okay, it's same, but let's define a request.security, for example USD Euro. Okay, and time frame that period. Okay, current time frame, and expiration can be here syminfo.mintic. Okay, mintic by it ticker ID. So here here if I add this, it should don't show us USD cat like this. No, it show us symbol info in this. Okay, yes, I update it and chart, and you can see USD Europe. Okay, but if I change this to syminfo.main ticker ID, it still show us current chart syminfo here, not as you see. Okay, that is different between syminfo.main ticker ID and syminfo.ticker ID. Also same for time frame dot main period and time frame that period. Okay.